Good evening. How are you doing?
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, gentlemen. Welcome.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. Welcome. Nice to be with you one more week. Well, I hope that you had a good weekend. And we're going to start our last week of class. Okay, well, let's start solving your homework. So remember that we have some questions. So I'm going to show you here the picture and you're going to tell me, please. So the first question was, where is the backpack? We have different possibilities, right? Because we can use different reference. So the one was done. It's next to the table, it says, right? Next to the table. That could be between the table and the sofa. Could be on the floor. Okay, or next to the books, etc. So you see we have different possibilities with many prepositions that we studied together. Okay, so now number 2 is yours. Where are the books? Where are the books?
They are under the table.
Okay, could be one possibility. They are under the table, correct? One more possibility, under, what's this? What's this? I don't identify, honestly. What's this? Don't you know? Well, neither do I. Okay, so I don't know what's this, but maybe next to the hairbrush. Maybe in front of or next to or between, right? Between the hairbrush and the backpack. You see different possibilities. And maybe the best one is the one that your classmate said. Okay, next we have, where is the cell phone? What is the cell phone? This is the cell phone, right? What is the cell phone?
The cell phone, it's inside the purse.
Oh, in front of. Oh, inside. In. In. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. The purse is, the cell phone, excuse me, is in the purse. That's correct. That is inside, right? In the purse. Or could be the other possibility. Anybody else? If we take the TV as reference, we can say the cell phone is
In front of the TV.
correct, in front of the TV. If we take the table of reference, no, we can write because it's not the purse, it's the cell phone. Okay, well, those are the possibilities. Next, we have, how many did you have? 3, 4, or 5? How many questions in your homework? Don't you remember? 3, 4, 5?
6, I remember.
6, okay. So we have the next, where is the purse? Thank you, Mr. Ramirez. Where is the purse? Now, yes, right? We're talking about the purse. So what is the purse? Let me see. Miss Cortez, what is the purse?
On the table, in the table.
The first one is better, Miss. On the table.
Three.
Yeah, don't change it. The first is correct. On the table. Yes, in is inside. Remember, the cell phone is in the purse. So in this case, it's a surface on the table. Very good, Miss. The first option, Miss Cortez. Excellent. And the last, where are the sunglasses? Let me see, where are the sunglasses? Here. What can you tell me about the sunglasses? Miss Santos, where are the sunglasses? Hi, Miss Santos. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher. The glasses are between the sofa.
The sunglasses are between the sofa. Well, Miss Santos, when we use between, we need two. Okay, so in this case, it's just the sofa. So maybe if we would have one more sofa here, right? For example, in that case, we can say between the sofas because I have one and two, right? And they are in the middle, the sunglasses. So we use between when we have something in the middle. So in this case, I think it's not between. Another option is Cortez. Now, Miss Cruz, can you help Miss Cortez, please?
Sorry. The sunglasses in front of the wallet and next to the sorry, sería behind the sofa.
Okay, excellent. That's a good one. Behind the sofa. Yeah. If we are here, we can say behind, right? Behind. So behind the sofa or in front of the wallet, maybe, as you said. Okay, thank you. So you see, the possibilities are different, my dear people, because it depends on the position that we take. Okay, and one more that it was not in your homework, but I see it here. So where is the watch? Miss Santos again. Where is the watch, Miss Santos? Look at the surface. So what preposition we use for surfaces? Surface. The watch is?
On the sofa.
There you are, correct. Excellent. Good. On the sofa. That's correct. Okay, what's the homework? To work a little bit more prepositions. You see, that's the way that we describe positions in English, locations in English, with those common prepositions. Okay, so let's continue. Thank you. Thank you all for your participation, for helping me to solve the homework. And let's do this listening. Let's listen. As you can see here, we have pictures of the vocabulary that we have been working with. Okay? In plural and singular. So remember, they are plural. It's singular. It is, right? Don't forget that connection. Let's listen.
Units 1 to 2. Progress check. Page 15. Exercise 3. Listening. What's this? What are these? Listen to the conversations. Number the pictures from 1 to 6. 1,
What's this?
It's a purse.
2,
What's this?
It's a cell phone.
Okay, so number 1 is a
purse.
a purse. Correct. So I'm gonna write here for you A, B, C, D, E, and F. So you can tell me, right? Number 1 is letter. Okay, so number 1 is letter?
Letter C.
Let's see. Number 1, of course, letter C. Well, it doesn't appear, but yes, it is. Anyway, okay. Number 2? They say number 2, right? Okay, let's listen.
Number 2 is cell phone.
Okay, so it's letter
Letter A.
A, correct. That's the name of this letter. Letter A. Okay, let's listen again.
the conversations. Number the pictures from 1 to 6. 1,
What's this?
It's a purse.
2,
What's this?
It's a cell phone.
That's correct. So if you can write on the board, please write number 3. Let's listen and write the number on the board if you can, because some people can write on the board. So let's take advantage if you can write on the board and do it. Okay, let's listen first.
3,
3.
What are these?
They're cell phones.
Their cell phones. Okay, thanks, Mr. Ramirez. That is number 3. That's correct because it's plural, right? Their. Remember, they are their cell phones because they are, is I said, for animals, things, and what else? Situations, places that include things, okay? That's correct. Number 4.
4,
What's this?
It's a wallet.
It's wallet. That's correct, Mr. Ramirez. Number 4. It's because it's one. One. Okay, next.
5,
What are these?
They're purses.
Number 5. They are their purses. Nobody can write it on the board? Okay, I will do it. And obviously the last one, right? It should be letter F.
6,
What are these?
They're wallets.
Okay, what are these? Their wallets. Because it's plural. Remember the concordance. Okay, between plural, these, we use this. Singular, we use this. Plural, we use they are or their. Singular, we use it is or it. And don't forget, if you are using plural form, don't forget to add the S to the object. Okay, well, that's what we have. Practice. Okay. Okay, it's done. Okay. So tell me something. Do you recognize these places, these countries?
Maybe it could be Japan and China. Right.
Okay, it's the same place, right? So
Okay.
it's Japan. Okay, it's Japan. Because remember that we use what? It for places, things. So the country is a place, is a thing. So we can use it. It is Japan. Okay, it is Japan. Okay, let's see. What about here? Can you tell me? Can you recognize the place or the country?
Maybe it's the Taj Mahal, I think.
Okay, and where is it? Where is it?
I don't remember the country.
You don't, anybody who can
Indian?
tell? Excuse me?
Indian?
Okay, in India. Okay, in India. Taj Mahal. It's in India. Okay. What about this place? Where is it? Where is it?
It's in China.
Okay, it's in China. Very good. And what is the name of this place?
I don't know how it's in English, but in Spanish is La Muralla China.
It's the Great Wall of China.
The Great
well,
Wall of
Okay,
China.
so we have here, okay, another country, another famous place. Where is the question, right? The question. Where is it? Can you recognize?
New
That,
York?
excuse me?
New York? No.
Okay, can you give me full sentence, please?
Uh,
It
uh,
is this
this
simple.
New York.
Okay, this is, for example, this is New York. Or it is New York. Or it's the city of New York. Okay? Remember always, my dear people, everybody, right? Try to give a full answer so we can practice more. Very good. Okay? It is New York, or this is the city of New York. That's correct. And here, where is it? Egypt, right? Egypt. Look at the famous
This is Egipto.
Egypt. Correct. As I'm saying, Egypt. Okay, and this is a little bit difficult, maybe. Can you recognize this
City
place?
of Mexico.
Mexico. Mexico. Okay, Mexico. Okay, the city of Mexico. Okay. Okay, well, so we're gonna talk about some. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Or would you like? It's a possibility, right? Would you like? Just a possibility. Le gustaría. Would you like to travel or do you like to travel? It depends. Yes or no?
Yes, means I would like to travel.
Would like to travel. To which of those countries that we saw? Any? Or
I would like to travel to Mexico for the food.
for food, okay. For the food. Okay. To Mexico. Okay. I used to. I used to, you know, to think, you know, about that, but I think nowadays Mexico is dangerous. So now I'm afraid to go. Not anymore. I think. Okay. Well, I'm gonna take attendance in this moment. Let me go to the list, please. Let me go to the list. Let me open and go to the list. Okay. Daniela Fernanda. Okay, I think you said present. Juan Torres.
Present, Miss.
Okay, Mr. Liaster.
Present.
Good. María José. No wrong. Sailing Raquel.
Present, teacher.
Okay, excellent. Christian Castillo.
Present, teacher.
Good to know. Jose Alberto.
Present, teacher.
Very good, Mr. Barrientos. Irving Oswaldo. No. Laura Susana. Laura Susana. Not today. Carla Suseli. Carla. Not today. Hugo Oswaldo. No, I don't think. Francisco Javier. Neither. Luis Fernando. Neither. Nayeli Durán. Neither. Carla Stephanie. No, she's never been in class. Miguel Alexander. Neither. Flor Lucía.
Present, teacher.
Good to know. Andrea Beatriz.
Present, teacher.
Good. Reina Yamilet.
Present.
Excellent. José Arnulfo.
Present, teacher.
Good. Mr. Ramirez. Thank you. Diana Isabel.
Present, teacher.
Okay, Miss García. Cintia Quintana.
Present, teacher.
Excellent. Mariana Pérez. Mariana. No, she hasn't been in class for a long time. Mariana Pérez. Mariana? No around? Larisa Rivas? No. Larisa? Fabricio Martinez?
Present, teacher.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Anthony Coro?
Present, teacher.
Okay. Sir. Elías Coro? José López? Y Diego Navichoque. Just one told me, Mr. Navichoque, that was not Navachaque, but not anymore in class. Okay. Well. Thank you. Anybody who I didn't mention? Ahorita lo puedo agregar si no me contestó cuando lo mencioné. Dígame. Y con gusto lo agregamos. ¿No? Ok. Okay. Let's continue. Let me go to... Okay, so I was telling you, right? And Miss Cortez, I think, Miss Cruz, I don't remember, said that she would like to travel. Okay, so we're going to talk about some countries today. And you know, the topic for this week is similar to the previous because we're going to continue talking about verb to be. So we can practice more. It won't be something new for you. Okay, so let me open the book. Okay, so here we'll see, you will see in your book, okay, famous place, famous places or countries. Okay, you see, and there are cities. Okay, the 10 largest cities. Let's listen, and you're gonna tell me. What is the city of each country? Let's listen.
Unit 3. Where are you from? Page 16. Exercise 1. Snapshot. The 10 largest cities in the world. Listen and practice. Cities.
1. Tokyo.
2. Delhi.
3. Shanghai.
4. Mexico City.
5. Mumbai.
6. Sao Paulo.
7. Osaka.
8. Beijing.
9. New York.
10. Cairo.
Similar, right? They are not complicated. So we have Tokyo, Delhi, Shanghai, that is a little bit different than in Spanish, but similar. Mexico City, Mumbai, Sao Paulo, Osaka, Beijing, New York. Some people said New York. That is. Other possibility, right? New York or New York. And Cairo. Similar. A piece of cake. Let's listen. Countries.
Countries.
A. Brazil.
B. China.
C. Egypt.
D. India.
E. Japan.
F. Mexico.
G. The U.S.
Okay, US, United States. Okay, so what are the cities of what country? Tokyo is a city of
Of
Egypt,
Japan.
of Japan. Delhi is the city of
India.
India. That's correct. Shanghai is the city
China.
of China. Shanghai. Okay. What other city is of Shanghai? I mean, of China. Shanghai and another city.
Beijing.
Okay, correct. Beijing. Beijing. Mexico City. Easy, right? A piece of cake. Is the city of Mexico. What about Mumbai?
India.
Okay, good. You're good at geography. India. Sao Paulo. Easy, right? What country?
Brazil.
Brazil.
Okay, remember the pronunciation. Right? Brazil. Brazil, because we have Z here. Okay, excellent. And Osaka.
Japan.
Japan, right? We already say Beijing, New York, piece of cake, and Cairo. Okay, Egypt. Okay, that's it. You see, those are some famous cities. So tell me, what is a famous city in your country? A large city in your country. And tell me, where are you from? Remember, where are you from can be, of course, from Guatemala, from China, but can be from a city too. It's not just specific for a country. So you can say, where are you from? I'm from New York. I'm from Medellin. I'm from San Miguel. Because sometimes we think that this question is just exclusively related to countries, but it's not just for countries. Can be from your original city. Where are you originally from? Okay, the city where you were born. Okay, as like a baby. So that is another possibility. Where are you from? The country, that is the most common, the first question, answer, but the city too. So tell me, where are you from and one of the largest cities in your country? Where are you from? Let's go in order. We can answer that fast. Mr. Ramirez, where are you from?
I'm from El Salvador.
Okay. Miss Cruz, where are you from?
I'm from El Salvador too.
Okay. Christian Castillo, Mr. Castillo, where are you from?
I'm from Costa Rica.
Okay. Miss Quintana, where are you from?
I'm from Costa Rica.
Okay. Let me see who's next. Miss Cortez, where are you from?
I'm from El Salvador.
Thank you. Miss Garcia, where are you from? Miss Garcia?
I am from Guatemala.
Okay, you're from Guatemala. Good. Miss Garcia. So now, Mr. Martinez, where are you from?
I am from Guatemala.
Okay. Where are you from, Mr. Barrientos?
I am from El Salvador.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Ramirez,
Yes, teacher.
where are you from?
I'm from the city of Santa Ana, El Salvador.
Okay. From Santa Ana, okay. Mr. Torres, where are you from, sir?
I am from Costa Rica.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Torres. Miss Mesa, where are you from?
I am from Nicaragua.
Okay. Okay, the only person from Nicaragua, I think. Okay, Miss Santos. Where are you from, Miss Santos?
I'm from Guatemala.
Guatemala too, okay. Mrs. Medrano, where are you from?
I am from El Salvador.
Thank you. And finally, I think, Miss Sanchez, where are you from?
I am from Costa Rica.
Okay, thank you. Well, so you see, we have different, so that is the most common, right? Where are you from? In the country. But like Mr. Ramirez, I think. I don't remember who said I'm from Santa Ana. Okay, El Salvador. Oh, I'm from Santa Ana. If we live in El Salvador, we know where is Santa Ana, right? So when we are in the same country or you know the country, it is possible to mention the original city that you are from because we know the country. Okay, but if you tell me, for example, the city that you are originally from, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Guatemala, maybe I don't know. So that's why we in general answer the country. Costa Rica, Guatemala, Nicaragua, El Salvador. But remember that, please. We can answer the name of the city or the small town, maybe, right? Maybe a small town. Where we're originally from, that small town, we can be very specific. Okay, so very good. Okay, now listen and notice something. We have question here. So are is first. Are you? Because it's a question. I explained that, right? 2 weeks ago, I think, with verb to be. We have a question, we change the position. And the W word, where, that is about places, right? So in this case, your country. Good. So let's listen this. But first, what's going on here? Where are they? Where are they? Probably.
At the office?
Okay, at the office, probably, yes. What is their relationship? Co-workers, boss, friends? What? What do you think? They are?
Maybe they are co-workers.
Co-workers, okay. Remember, my dear people, for those who don't remember, maybe co-workers are people who work at the same place. For example, you work at a dock, you are co-workers. They maybe not at the same office, the same country, but it's somehow right de alguna manera. You are co-workers. Okay, so they are co-workers. Okay, so what are they talking about? About Christmas party, maybe, right? Because they look happy. Christmas party. Okay. Or maybe about a vacation. I don't know. Okay, so let's listen. Let's listen here. What is the truth? What are they talking about? Try to catch the idea.
Page 16. Exercise 2. Conversation. Are you from Rio? Part A. Listen and practice.
Are you from Florida, Felipe?
Well, my family is in Florida now, but we're from Brazil originally.
Really? My father is Brazilian, from Rio de Janeiro.
So, is your first language Portuguese?
No, it's English. Are you from Rio?
No, we're not. We're from Sao Paulo.
Okay, so their conversation is about the place that they're originally from, right? They're talking about their original countries. So where is the boy from? Where is he from?
He is from Brazil.
Okay, he is from Brazil. So look at the question. Thank you. Where now is he from? Because now I'm not talking about the boy, not about you, right? So in that case, look, we need to change the form of verb to be. You see? That's the way it works. So we said, where is the same, right? But if I'm talking about you, the form of verb to be is are. That's why I said, where are you from? But if I want to ask, to do the question about someone else, in this case, a boy, a he, okay, not about you. So if I use he, the form of verb to be, remember, that is. So where is he from? Is a question, is place number 1, and he place number 2 because it's a question. And if I want to ask, ¿de dónde es ella? What is the question? Can you help me, please? Where?
He is from Sao Paulo, Brazil.
Okay, yeah, but how can I do that question in English? Can you help me, please?
Where is
From what
she
city
from?
is he?
Oh, okay. Again, one by one. First the lady and then the gentleman. The lady? What did you say?
From what city is he?
Not really. It's too long. The most common is this form that you are
Where
looking
is
on the board.
from?
Where it's from, but who? Okay, the second
Where is
person.
he from?
But it's a girl. I said de dónde es ella.
Where is she from?
Where is she from? Okay, so remember that is the most common, right? The less complicated. Where is she from? Where are you from? Where is he from? We can ask about different people. Where are they from? Okay, that's the way that we do questions. You see? Okay, so let's see here. Question, are you from Florida, Felipe? Well, my family is in Florida now, but we're from Brazil originally. Really? My father is Brazilian because it's the nationality. Okay? You will have a homework about investigating nationality, okay, and country, or language and country. From Rio de Janeiro. So it's your first language. Language is the ordinal number, right, of one. First. I'm in first place. Okay. First grade, for example. Okay. After kindergarten, we go to first grade. Okay, so it's your first language. Is your first language Portuguese? No, it's English. Are you from Rio? No, we're not. Negative. We're not. We are from Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo. Excuse me. Okay, so that's the conversation. Many questions, right? But we are already, let's say, familiarized with questions because I explained that 1 week ago. But I'm going to show you again tomorrow. Okay, don't worry. So now let's practice. But first, let's do this conversation with your classmates. So remember that we are focused on questions. Questions. Look at the position of the verb to be and the person. Okay? So here we go. Let's practice that. Tomorrow we're gonna okay, there you have. We're gonna study those structures in detail and do so many practices. But it's not something new for you. Okay, let's practice that conversation.
Hi. Perdón, es que entré tarde.
Are you from Florida, Felipe?
Well, my family is in Florida now, but we're from Brazil original.
Brazil
Re-
original. Brazil.
Brazil original.
Yeah, remember that the sound is here in your throat. Here, right? Brazil.
Okay.
Really? My father is Brazilian, from Rio de Janeiro.
So, is your first language?
First.
First. Okay. First. So, is your first language Portuguese?
Portuguese.
Portuguese.
No, it's English. Are you?
Let's switch if you want. Yeah, I'm Felipe now.
Okay. Are you from Guatemala?
Well, my family is in Guatemala now, but we're from El Salvador.
Really? My father is San Salvador.
Okay. So, is your first language Spanish?
No, it is English.
Okay. Ask me, are you from alguna city? Alguna city? Are you, pregúnteme tipo, are you from Santa Ana, Ahuachapán, something like that?
Okay, we are you from?
I'm from Santa Ana. Yeah. No, we're not. We're from La Paz, I think.
Are you from Santa Ana, Mr. Ramirez?
Yes, I'm from Santa Ana.
Okay. I thought that you said that you're from Costa Rica. But
No,
it was not you.
No, I'm from El Salvador.
Okay, someone else.
Salvadorian.
I have the idea that you said that.
No.
Okay, good for you.
Okay.
Okay, let's listen this. Let's practice a little bit of listening.
Page 16. Exercise 2. Part B. Listen to Alexis and Felipe talk to Fernando, Nanami, and Sofia. Check true or false. 1.
So where are you from, Fernando?
I'm from Spain.
Oh, what part of Spain are you from?
I'm from Madrid.
2.
Is your name Japanese, Nanami?
Yes, it is. But I'm from the US, from New York.
So you're American.
Yes, I am. But my parents are from Japan originally.
Okay, let's stop here. Where is Fernando from?
Fernando is from Spain.
Okay, so it's true, right? Thank you, Miss. Okay, so that you see, where is Fernando from? That is equivalent, where is he from? But in this case, I want to be specific. ¿Quién es él? Fernando. So I won't say who is he from. The other option, Where is Fernando, excuse me, from? Where is Fernando from? Fernando is from, because it's answer, right? Fernando is from Spain. Okay, and where is Nanani from?
The USA.
She is from, okay, full answer. Let's speak English. Okay, she is from, acuérdense, no hay recargo. Okay, so she's from New York, correct, miss? Thank you. So, but their parents are originally from New York, from Japan. And the last, let's listen. Where is Sofia from?
3.
By the way, Alexis, this is Sophia.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. Are you from Brazil too? No, I'm from Montreal. So you're Canadian. Is your first language English? No, it's not. My first language is French.
So, where is Sofia from?
She's from Canada.
Okay. She's from Canada. Okay, so it's true, right? First language is French. Yes?
Yes, she said
She
her
said?
first language.
She said?
She's first language is French.
So it's true, right? The answer is true. Let's see. Yes, it's true. Number 3, thank you, Mr. Ramirez. That's correct. Number 2, yes, she's from New York. And the first, yeah, she's from Spain. He's from, or he's from Spain. Okay, so that's the way that we got familiar with questions, right? Questions with verb to be. More familiar because we already started this topic last week. So that is the structure that we have, you see? Question, answer, and negative. But I already explained that to you, right? The first week, I think, or the second week, I don't remember. But I said that we just need to change what? The position. Do you remember here? Let me show you. Do you remember I showed you this picture, this slide? Okay, so I told you how we create questions. Okay, if you have an affirmative sentence, first the person and second verb to be. That corresponds, right? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. So remember, I am, you are, he, she, and it is the same, is. We, you, and they are. So that's the position when we have affirmative. But if you want a question, let's change the position. Am I?
My.
Yeah.
My.
Yeah, that's the pronunciation. Am I? Am I your friend? Am I your teacher? Am I your co-worker? Are we co-workers? Are we friends? Are we classmates? You see, just verb to be first and then the person. If we want to make the question. That's it. And if you want a negative, well, again, first the person, the verb to be, and we are not. And then we have a question, a negative. I am not. You are not. But we have to respect the position of not, okay? Look, after after verb to be, después del verbo to be. Don't get confused. Don't think in Spanish. Yo no soy tu amigo. Ah, es que el no va en medio, teacher. But in English, no. Okay? I am not. You are not. He is not. It's different in English. Okay? So we have to respect the language. So not after verb to be. Well, I don't want to take more time of your precious night. That's it for today. Tomorrow we'll continue practicing, basically, because that's the explanation. Because I already mentioned, but I explain again. Okay, no problem. So, hope to see you tomorrow. Remember that this is the last week. Okay, this is the last week. So try not to miss class. Try to send all your homeworks. Okay, so hope to see you tomorrow to continue practicing. Thanks for your participation. Have a good night. Take care.
See you.
Means have a good night. Take care.
You
Good
too.
night, teacher.
You too, sir. Have a good night. Was a pleasure.
Good night, Juan.
Pleasure
I
to
love
see
you.
Good
you.
night,
Bye.
teacher.
Y no cuelga, Juan.